friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing the Pani Puri shorts recipe with you. There are the 4 different exotic flavor Pani Puri with the 3 different type of stuffing which is famous in different part of India. I will share both the things with you and the other ingredient also. In the last you will get the Dahi Puri and the Ragda Puri recipe also in this video. So just watch the video till the end so you get all the recipe. Actually, most of the ingredients are same for all these chart like Ragda Puri and Dahi Puri and Pani Puri. So I just try to share all 3 in this one video. I use these dry puris because you can air fry them also and you can fry those puri. So it's up to you and it's easy to use. You can store them nicely and you can use whenever you want. The ingredients for masalas we require for the stuffing is the cumin seed powder, black salt, normal salt, चाट मसाला, जलजीरा मसाला और पानी पूरी मसाला, mint and coriander chutney, puffed bundi. This is sprout. First we will prepare the stuffing. For stuffing we will use the boiled potato, mash the potato, add all the spices according to your taste. Then and the last add some mint coriander chutney, some fresh coriander leaves. Onion is optional. This is the potato filling which is ready. The second type of stuffing is with the Kabuli chana, boiled chickpeas. We will add this to the mashed potato mixture with some more onion and green coriander leaves and green chilies. This stuffing very famous in Jharkhand region. So I try to share that also with you. This is also very yummy. This is a different type of stuffing. The third stuffing is ragda, which the preparation I already shared in my video before. You can check there. This is famous in Maharashtra region or Mumbai especially. For the Pani Puri we will require the sweet tamarind chutney also. For this you need the tamarind pulp, black salt, chili powder, cumin powder, ginger, dry ginger powder is must for this, and add jaggery or sugar and then just cook it to make it little thick. This is the chutney is ready. Now the next is how to make the different flavor water. The first ingredient is this is the tamarind pulp water. So I am making the tamarind and hing flavor water. So I will add hing to this mixture, add some water more because and black salt, jeera, some red chili powder and some of the sweet tamarind chutney for little sweet taste. Adjust the flavoring. The second is the famous mint water, that is the very common one. So we will make this mixture with the ginger, chili, mint leaves and the spices, lemon juice. Then we will add it to this to water, mix well, add the consistency. If you want you can add some tamarind pulp also in this. So this is our mint flavor water is ready. The third I use the red water. For this I use the pomegranate juice and lemon juice. You can use the watermelon juice and lemon juice, and the red Kashmiri chili powder we will use this. Some more water, and if you some ginger juice also you can use it. Same like this I made the orange flavor water also. You can make the pineapple flavor water, guava flavor water. It's up to you how you want to make. With the same ingredient available with us, we can make the Ragda Puri recipe also. The same ingredient I am using, we will use the puris, we will fill it with some onion, then ragda, then chutney, then again ragda and chutney, then garnish with the save, nylon save you can use or any other save also you can use. So this is the famous Ragda Puri chaat. You can make at home simultaneously with the Pani Puri. You can add the potato mixture also if you want in this. This is all your creation. You can change the recipe of the chaat according to your taste. It's not necessary to follow the same recipes. Whatever ingredient you have, you can use those ingredients for them. The next recipe I am sharing is a Dahi Puri. That is also a very famous street food or chaat recipe. Everybody likes this. The same ingredient what we have, we are using that and adding the yogurt with this. In the yogurt I added the salt, chili powder, some cumin powder already, and the other things all chutneys and the masala we will use what we made for the Pani Puri. I am using the same potato mixture. If you are making normally dahi puri, you can just use the boiled potato, cut it into small pieces, and you can use that. I already have this mixture prepared, so I am using this. I will add the sprouts also to this dahi puri. That is also your choice. Add some onion, sprouts, and some chutneys, green chutney, all tamarind chutney, green chutney, whatever things we have. You can add the chana also if you want, but we are using same mixture. You can add the ragda also to this dahi puri recipe also. Just add some yogurt, then add some coriander leaves, some chutneys, both sweet tamarind chutney and the green chutney, all the spices powder what we have, the chili powder, cumin powder, that we will add. Then we will garnish it with the nylon sieve and then serve immediately. So you can make all these chaat recipes at your home. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends and family, hit the bell icon to get the notification for the new recipes. Share your feedback in the comment section. It always motivates me to create and share some new recipes and new ideas with you. Thank you so much for watching.